speed. You are familiar with these three terms from your plus 2 classes. See here, assume a particle is moving along a curve. RT is equal to xti plus ytj plus ztk. See, vector form of any curve in space is RT is equal to xti plus ytj plus ztk. Assume a particle is moving along this curve, then velocity of the particle is denoted by v of t and is given by r dash t, that is dr by dt. Next, acceleration is denoted by a of t and it is r double dash t, that is second derivative of rt, that is d square r by dt square. Next, speed. Speed is modulus of velocity, that is now vt. Next, we have to do some problems. So we have to find velocity, acceleration and speed at a given time t of a particle moving along the curve. Number 1, rt is equal to ti plus half t square j plus 1 by 3 t cube k when t equal to 2. See, in the first question, the particle is moving along the given curve. We have to find its velocity, acceleration and speed when time is 2 seconds. So, we have rt is equal to ti plus half t square j plus 1 by 3 t cube k. We have to find it, t is equal to 2. How to find velocity? Velocity is denoted by vt and we know it is r dash t. So you differentiate rt with respect to t. So its derivative is I plus half into 2t, that is t j, plus 3 into 1 by 3 t square, that is t square k. Next we have to find velocity at 2. So you put t equal to 2. The first term is independent of t, so the first term is I. Second term becomes 2j. Third term is 4k. See, this is the velocity of the particle moving along the given curve when time t is 2 seconds. Next, acceleration. See, acceleration is r double dash t. See, this is r dash t. So you differentiate this again with respect to t. That is, derivative first term is 0, derivative second term is j, third term is 2tk. See, this is its velocity. Then next, velocity at 2 seconds is, it is obtained by putting t equal to 2 in this expression. So j plus 4k. See, this is the velocity at a time 2. Next, we have to find speed. What is speed? Speed is norm of vt, that is magnitude of the velocity. Magnitude of the velocity is, here we have to find speed when time 2 seconds. So it is norm v of 2 and it is, what is the modulus of or magnitude of v2? See, v2 is this one and its norm is square root of, if the vector is ai plus or xi plus yj plus zk, suppose the vector r is xi plus yj plus zk, then its norm is root a square plus, x square plus y square plus z square. So its modulus is 1 plus 4 plus 16, that is root 21. In the second question, RT is not directly given. See, the curve RT is either given in the form of parametric representations or directly given. In the first question, RT is directly given, but in the second question, its parametric equations are given. See, in vector form, we can express any space curve in the form RT is equal to xti plus ytj plus ztk. And its parametric equations are x equal to x of t, y equal to y of t, and z equal to z of t. So, if the parametric equations are given, you write the equation of the curve in vector form like this. Here, the parametric equations are given. It is like x equal to x of t, y equal to y of t, z equal to z of t. So, first you have to write the path of the moving particle, that is the equation of the curve, and it is 2 cos t I plus 2 sin t j plus t k. We have to find velocity, acceleration and speed when time t is equal to pi by 2. So what is velocity? Velocity is r dash t. You differentiate this with respect to t. Its derivative is minus 2 cos sin t I plus 2 cos t j plus k. This is velocity. We have to find velocity at pi by 2. So you put t equal to pi by 2. When t is pi by 2, we know sin pi by 2 is 1, cos pi by 2 is 0. So this term becomes minus 2y, this term is 0. So velocity when t equal to pi by 2 is minus 2y plus k. So what is its speed? Speed is norm v of pi by 2. And it is square root of 4 plus 1, that is root 5. Next we have to find acceleration. Acceleration is r double dash t, or derivative of the velocity. We have r dash t, so you again differentiate this with respect to t, and it is minus 2 cos t I minus 2 sin t j. This is acceleration. Next, acceleration when t is equal to pi by 2. You put t equal to pi by 2 here, and it is minus 2j. Here you have to find position and velocity vector of the particle. Here acceleration is given and some initial conditions are given. Say in the question acceleration is given, we have to find the position vector and the velocity vector. That is, we have to find velocity vector is vt and the position vector is rt. So we have to find rt and vt. In the question, only acceleration is given. See, we know velocity vt is r dash t, acceleration at is r double dash t, or it is v dash t. That is the derivative of velocity. So, if we know the velocity vt, then by integrating vt, we have rt. See, velocity is derivative of rt. So, integral vt is rt. Again, integral at is vt. So, we can find the position vector rt by integrating vt, and the velocity vector can be obtained by integrating at. Here at is given. See, in the first question, at is equal to minus cos ti minus sin tj. So if you integrate at, we get velocity. So what is its integral? Integral of first term is you integrate with respect to t. Say integral cos t is sin t, so minus sin t I. Integral sin t is minus cos t, so it is plus cos t j. Plus, after integration there is a constant. See, this is velocity vt. So we have velocity is, see, these are all vectors, minus sin ti plus cos tj plus c. See, here we have an arbitrary constant c. We can find the constant c by applying these conditions. Here, b0 is given as I. So, what is b0? So, here you put t equal to 0. In this, when t equal to 0, sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. So, j plus c. See, b0 is given as I. So, we have I is equal to j plus c. So, which implies, when we are to find c. So, what is c? C is I minus j. So, what is velocity? Velocity Vt is minus sin ti plus cos tj plus I minus j. See, this is the velocity. Next, we have to find its position vector rt. We have the velocity vector. So, rt is obtained by integrating Vt. That is integral minus sin ti plus integral cos tj plus integral I minus j. See, I minus j is a constant, or you can separate the integral. It has integral I minus integral j. So, integral sin t is minus cos t, so it is cos ti plus sin tj plus integral I is a constant, so its integral is ti minus tj plus after integration there is a constant c. For finding c, you have to use r0 is 2j. So what is r0 from here? R0 is, you put t equal to 0, cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. Put t equal to 0, so it is 0, 0 plus c. Given r0 as 2j, so 2j equal to I plus c, which implies c is equal to 2j minus I. So what is rt? So rt is equal to cos ti plus sin tj plus ti minus tj plus 2j minus I. See, this is rt. We can also express it as, you combine the coefficient of I, that is cos t plus t into I plus sin t minus t into j. Sorry, j has two terms, minus t plus 2 into j. Next, consider the second question. Given acceleration is I plus e raised to minus tj. So, how can we find the velocity? By integrating at. That is integral I plus e raised to minus tj dt. What is its integral? Its integral is it minus e raised to minus tj plus c. That is dt. For getting the constant c, you apply this condition. Given v0 is 2I plus j. What is v0? v0 is, you put t equal to 0. It is 0, e raised to 0, it is 1. So, minus j plus c. Given v0 is 2I plus j. So, this implies minus j plus c is 2I plus j, which implies c is 2I plus 2j. So, what is velocity? Velocity Vt is it minus e raised to minus tj plus 2I plus 2j. This is our velocity. Or we can write it as I into t plus 2 plus 2 minus e raised to minus tj. That is our velocity. Next, how we can find the position vector rt? Position vector rt is given by integral Vt dt. What is it? Vt? Vt is I into t plus 2 plus 2 minus e raised to minus g into dt. So, its integral is I into t square by 2 plus 2t plus 2t minus e raised to minus t j plus constant. Given R0 as j minus I. So you find R0. You put t equal to 0. When t equal to 0, this term is 0. This term is e raised to 0, it is 1. So j plus c. Given R0 as j minus I. From this, c is minus I. So what is RT? RT is equal to I into t square by 2 plus 2t plus 2t plus e raised to minus j minus c. This is the position vector of the moving particle along the given circle.